16, 17, 18, we're graphing a parabola in the form of a minus x squared plus c, again where we can see the shift to our graph. Now on the parabola, they are going to make you do 5 points instead of just 3 points. But again, on my vertex, my shift on the x is going to be at -4, because if x plus 4 equals 0, -4 plus 4 is 0. So x is going to be -4. My y value then is going to be +1. 0 plus 1 is 1. So I'm going to be at -4, +1 for my vertex. They're going to make you do 2 points on each side, so -3, -2, -5, and -6. And plug those numbers in and solve. So if I put the -2 in there, -2 plus 4 is a +2. 2 squared is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. If I put my -3 in there, -3 plus 4 is 1. 1 squared is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. When I put my -5 in there, -5 plus 4 is -1, but a -1 squared makes it +1. 1 plus 1, 2. -6 plus 4 is -2. A -2 squared is a +4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So since this is going to be a parabola, these values match up, these values match up, and of course our vertex is in the middle. So -2 is up to 5, -3 is up to 2, -5 is up to 2, and -6 is up to 5. You'll hit the graph button and have your parabola, if I could hit all my dots. Looks like a U. Again, my coefficient is positive, and so my U goes upwards. And looks something sort of like that. And so number 17, if I'm going to graph my parabola, my vertex of my parabola, the x value has to be a +2 to get 0, and 0 plus 4 is going to give me 4, so 2, 4 is going to be where the vertex of my parabola is. This will give me the horizontal shift, this gives me the vertical shift. So over 2, up 4 is where my vertex moved to. And then I want 2 points on each side of that. 2, 1, 0, and 3, and 4 would be my 2 points on each side of 2. I put 0 in there. 0 minus 2 is a -2. -2 squared is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 1 minus 2 is -1, but a -1 squared makes it a +1. 1 plus 4, 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 squared is 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 squared is 4, and 4 plus 4 is 8. Again, those numbers should match up like they do. So 0 is up at 8. 1 is up at 5. 3 is also at 5, and 4 is up to 8, and I have my parabola when I hit my graph button. Number 18. Here, my x value in my vertex is going to be at -3. My y value will be the -2. So my shift, I went back 3 and down 2 for my vertex. So 2 points on each side of that, -2, -1, -4, and -5. So -1 plus 3 is 2. 2 squared is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. -2 plus 3 is 1. 1 squared is 1. 1 minus 2 is a -1. -4 plus 3 is -1, but a -1 squared makes it +1, and 1 minus 2 is a -1. -5 plus 3 would be -2. -2 squared is a +4. 4 minus 2 is 2. So -1 is up to 2. -2 is at -1. -4 is at -1, and -5 is up to 2. And again, I've got my graph of my parabola.